Ready? Start. It gives me special pleasure to be here at this meeting. I must say that I was very much attracted by the name of this organization when I first heard of it because it is something which at this moment of our development we are very much in need of. Enterprises is perhaps the greatest of our national needs. Enterprise in agriculture, in industry, in science, and even in matters of civic initiative, in combating social evils such as communal friction and other types of friction and tension, which arise from time to time, which threaten our unity, which threaten our progress, and sometimes threaten even our very survival. This is hardly the place of dwell on some of these tensions, although they have a very vital bearing on the progress of our industry. In today's society, in today's changing society, the new elite are the entrepreneurs and the technologists, and in the situation which exist in our country, these to have a very special responsibility to society full stop change. As you have rightly mentioned in your address, this is not only in the interest, in the patriotic interest of the welfare of larger section of the people, but looking at the question from a very narrow practical point of view also. It is in the interest of all that one should take a stand on the issue and work for the solution of these problems, because these tendencies, whether it is the communal tendency considering one citizen big merely because of his religion to be more patriotic than all others, denying people the right to live where they want to in the country or to work where they want to, weaken the fabric of the nation. No industry can prosper and no development can take place unless there exists the proper atmosphere, the atmosphere of unity and of working together. As you know, we have made tremendous progress in industry since our independence, but we have come to a stage when industry needs a special push. Not that we want to lessen the importance of agriculture, because our very lives are dependent on it and industry itself is dependent on agriculture progress. We cannot make history by repeating the experience of others. We have to be willing to forge out our own path, make our own mistakes, and learn from our own mistakes, and from the mistakes go on the achievement. Full stop. Thank you.